What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing / reviewing the Mavic Mini. Keep in mind, I've never had a drone before in my life, so this could be interesting. And I hope by doing this, I can kind of give some insight into the drone and what it's like for beginners, or maybe you've had a drone before and you just want to see what the Mavic Mini is like. I hope this video helps. I bought this drone for $400 off DJI. I also bought a little SIM card that comes with it for another $20. So the order I think was $425 or $424 total. Had a little bit of trouble getting this. It took me about 3 more days than when it was supposed to be delivered, just because I missed it when they were trying to drop it off at my house 3 times from FedEx, so I had to go back to their building and get it, and it was just kind of a disaster. We have it now, we're all good, and I won't keep you guys waiting. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into opening the box. I don't know why I thought it was necessary to put both sides of this knife out, but I did. Here we go, we have the drone box. Then we have some kind of instructions here. Here's the micro SD card. You have to buy one of the ones with an adapter because the drone camera is so small. So if you didn't know that, yeah, you need a different kind of micro SD card than the ones you might put in your camera. First impressions actually of the box, this thing is stupid light. I thought this box would be much heavier. I guess it's only 249 grams. It gets under that threshold, I guess, that you need, so you don't have to get a pilot's license for a drone, whatever they call it. This drone, you don't have to have one of those, so that's part of the reason why I bought it. This is what it looks like when you first open it. All right, we'll start over here on this right side, just because the drone's on the left. This is the controller, of course. Now, like I said, this is my first drone, therefore I don't know if this is the normal size of a controller, but it turns out the controller is pretty much the same size of the drone from what I can see. Okay, so this is where your phone's gonna go. I finally realized that. And then here's the antennas for the drone. So controller looks like this, straight out of the box. All right, there's this small box right under where the controller was. Okay, these look like extra screws. I'm assuming I don't need those. I saw that on the order, it comes with extra screws, so I'm not gonna open those yet, or hopefully ever. The charging cord, I have no idea what these are for, but those were in this package. Oh, here's a screwdriver. Here's some extra wings for the drone. Okay, so under the controller there was that box. Now under the box there's a bunch of manuals of some kind. And I believe you can actually get something where you can customize the look of the drone. That's what it's showing here. You can get something so you can draw on your drone. That's kind of cool, I guess. I didn't get that, but I'm sure there's other videos that have that type of thing on it. All right, and then here on the left, we have the drone body. And it looks like that. As you can see, it's extremely small. This is it in my hand. And it weighs even less than you'd probably think. Has these little things tying the wings down. I'm gonna take that off. I'm trying to figure out how the wings go out. That goes like that. That goes like that. These ones go down on this side, and it looks like that. There we go. All right, so I've gotten a second to kind of look at everything and see what everything is about, just to wrap my head around what exactly I'm getting myself into. This thing is really helpful. It actually shows you everything you need to do before you fly. You can pause it there if you want to see that. And I found that this is really all the stuff you need to function the drone, including your phone, because you're gonna need this app, if that reflection would stop. You're gonna need this app to function the drone. I'll give you guys kind of just a close look at everything here in this montage real quick. I also thought I'd mention here that if you see right here, there's these little sticks right here. You take these sticks out of the controller and you put them in up top right here. On the drone, The SD card and then the charger go in right there. I also found that in order to connect your phone to it, these kind of things, it comes with the drone. You put one side in there, then this other piece goes into your phone or whatever phone you have. It comes with 3 of these and they're all for different phones. So that's kind of how everything connects together. Now I'm gonna get all these things charged up and ready to go. For you guys, this will be about 3 seconds. For me, it'll be another 3 hours before I'm ready to go out and fly. We're gonna skip right into that for you guys right now.
Takeoff. Don't push the control stick to make the aircraft descent.
Alright guys, so as you've just seen, I just got done with my first flight with this drone, let alone any drone ever. Overall, I thought it was extremely easy. I thought it was going to be much harder to fly these types of drones, but really they do so much work for you that it's like you're really doing nothing other than just telling it where you want it to go. The wind I thought was going to be kind of a problem. It's kind of windy today, especially when it's really high in the air like that, but really I didn't see any difficulty with it. For someone who's never flown a drone before, it was almost too easy. If you've seen other people's reviews, I agree with them completely. I think this drone is absolutely fantastic, especially for the price. If you're looking to get into drones maybe for the first time, as I am, it's definitely a good choice for being so cheap and easy to fly. I don't think you can go wrong with the Mavic Mini. Definitely a lot of fun to fly. Overall, great drone, don't have any complaints. Other than the camera on the drone seemed to white out the picture a little bit, which that's not a problem. You can correct that in editing. The drone was really easy to get ready. DJI is really good at taking you through the steps to get it ready for your first flight and what you need to do to make sure you pretty much don't wreck the thing. But first impressions are great. If you want to see more drone footage on this channel in the future, I'm definitely going to work on it, get better at it, and add it into my style of videos. And if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a like if this video helped. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.